Hello, welcome to Guide Glimpse. GTA 5 How to change your character's clothes. Today I'll be showing you how to change your character's clothes. The first way you can change your character's clothes is by going to a closet, and once you're in the closet, you'll be able to choose which clothes that you want. The only clothes that are available here are the clothes that you have bought in a store or have done in a event. And right now I'll be choosing these clothes, and once I click the select and wear, and there we go, my character has changed clothes. And the other way to change your character's clothes is when you go to your interaction menu and go to appearance, and once you're in appearance, click outfits, and you can change your saved outfits. Like right now I'm going to change to smart, and there we go, I'm going to change to sharp black and black ops 2. So yeah, those are the ways to change your character's clothes in GTA 5. So yeah, thank you guys. If you like the video, please consider giving us a thumbs up and subscribing for more content like this. Thank you.